Hello everyone, welcome to CyberWar. Today we're doing a room on TryHackMe. It's called Basic Static Analysis. Stay with us for a few minutes and I'm going to show you exactly the commands I'm running to solve it. First task, it's an introduction, you need to read everything. Second task, you start the lab. I already did that, it's here. Third task, you do some string search. You have a folder over here called from malware, and what you do, you start the prompt, you go to desktop, go to mal, you can also do ls like on Linux, and you can do strings 6 for example. But that defeats the purpose, because the question here is where is the string dbgview.exe. So for that you need to use floss. I can tell you it's in 6, but this is the command I'm running. I'm also piping this to a file. I'll take a break for the program to run. Alright, so let's see the file. So it's truly in the 6 file. That's the answer. Now for fingerprinting, you are probably aware of hashing, but with normal hashing, if you do just one if you change 1 byte, the hash changes. So then we do something called import hash, where you hash the functions that are imported, or you can do a fuzzy hash, where you hash some parts, so content parts. Based on that, the question is which malware has the same imp hash as file 3, and what is the percentage match. Normally I should open PE Studio, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do just this command, basically with LRD. So it tells us that 3 matches 1 with a 93%. So those are the answers. Okay. You can also open PE Studio and open each malware, and you will find us an identical imp hash or whatever. I don't care. Anyway, that's about SSDeep and imp hash. Next, this is about kappa and signatures and Yara rules, and the question is about sample 4. So we do kappa 4. It's gonna take a while. So this takes a while, but it's going to answer the first 3 questions in this task. I'm back to split view because it's easier to see the answers directly. Yeah, it's at 25%. We're going to break again. I meant pause. Alright, so let's see what the questions are. One second, please. Alright, so how many anti-VM execution techniques 86, it's here. Can it suspend threads? It can. Here. Okay. What is the behavior against anti-static analysis? It's here, disassembler evasion, argument obfuscation. And then what is the address of this function? Check HTTP status code. For this one we don't have the answer. You need to use very verbose mode and store it in a file, because we need to store it in a file because it's too long to scroll, and yeah. I'm gonna pause again a bit until it finishes it. It's at 7%. Alright, so it's done. So this is the file, and I can just open it and search this, and this is the function, the address in the memory for the function, and you can see it works. We're done with the command line. Let's open the studio, and now we're looking at malware 4. We need to wait a bit. Okay, so it loaded the libraries. It's this one on the blacklist, rpcrt4.dll, and it's this description here, remote procedure call runtime, and we're done. This was it. I don't know what else to tell you. This machine is not connected to the internet, but you can, for example, take a hash and see if anything's found. For example, VirusTotal has some details on this. So it was indeed malware. That's it. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe if you didn't subscribe already. I'm doing videos whenever I can, and I'm sorry for the ones that are without sound. Sometimes I can't record it audio, so but I really want to record something. So yeah. Alright. Have a great day. Goodbye.